I'm being brutally honest with people right now. I can say all these things and be like, this is what you got to do. This is how you do this. This is how you do that. But at the end of the day, I'm a human being and I'm still going through shit every day. I did the wrong thing yesterday. I'm not going to go into full depth. I don't want to call people out and put my business all over the place. I love my children more than anything in the world, and it hurt me that on Father's Day, not only did I not get a call, not only did I not even get a video message, not only did I even get a message, the message I sent didn't even get opened. And I don't blame my kids at all. It's got nothing to do with them. They're too young to understand, and they're too young to have a phone. They can't do these things themselves. I don't get to have a conversation with them one-on-one. I don't get to have those moments that I had before when I was living there. And it's not fair for my kids, I know, that I'm far away from them. But the true reason I started this was because I want to have a way to tell my kids my truth. So one day when they're 18, 19, 20, they can see it. They can look back and go, man, this is you, Dad. This is what you're about. I wish I had video footage of my dad in his day, what he was going through at my age with the separation of my mum and not seeing his kids and things like that. I'd love to know that. I'd love to have that conversation with him. I allowed it to affect me to a point where yesterday I just gave up. Didn't want to do anything. I sat on my computer and I played Red Dead Redemption 2 for 12 hours. I didn't want to think about nothing. I didn't want to do anything. I didn't go to the gym. I didn't go to the basketball court. I ate like 8 barbecue pork buns. I just reverted back to my depressed fat way because of one thing. And I'm here to tell you, as hard as it is to not allow yourself to do it, you gotta work out how to get through it and keep pushing forward and keep grinding. These things in life are always going to be around you. They're never going to not be there. They're always going to be trying to control you, trying to hold you down, trying to keep you. You're shit. You're a shit person, so you stay shit. If you've gone through shit in your life, if you've done something that wasn't good at the time, that doesn't make you a bad person forever. Decisions you made when you were 13, 21, 26, whatever it is, that doesn't make you who you are right now. I allowed that one thing to snowball into so many more things. Look how quickly you can change. Look how quickly it can just shift from being, I'm so positive, to I'm feeling flat and negative. That's depression. That's true depression. So how do I get out of it? How do I get to a positive mindset? Like, have a little conversation with myself. You done feeling sorry for yourself? You done eating up your pork buns? Have your coffee, get on the roof, start walking. I don't feel like walking. I don't feel like doing anything because the world's not fair and everything's fucked. Okay, but that doesn't mean you can't get up and start walking. This is how you do it. Get up and just get after it. Get up, drink your coffee, start walking, start talking, get it out off your chest. This is me, this is what I'm doing. I'm putting it out there. Like I said, not just for the people at home, subscribers, the YouTube viewers, all that. I'm doing it for me. I'm doing it for my kids to see something in the future. This is healing for me more than anything. Stimulate your mind, have a coffee, have something that you like, and then just go for a walk. Try and go for a walk for like an hour. Once you've had your hour walk and you're feeling sweaty and you're feeling like you've exerted some energy and you've got a bit of a focused mind, then attack your day. Then attack the things that are building up that you don't want to handle, you don't want to deal with. Sometimes it could be bills, sometimes it could be business-wise or life-wise that you just putting to the side. Just knock 1 or 2 of those things off, right? And then the next day, do it again. Knock 1 or 2 of those things off. And eventually you'll see that you've attacked it. You've made a dent in it. You've dug a hole in it. You've cleared 30, 40, 50, 60% of it. That's how you attack it. That's how you get back out of that rut. That's how you get out of that negative mindset. Don't allow that negative mindset to creep in and stay there. If it comes in, that's okay. I'm not telling you to be perfect and happy all the time. Don't allow it to stay there, right? Let it sleep on the couch for the night. In the morning, hey, get out. I gotta go for a walk. Oh! Just wanted to share a little golden nugget with you guys. My brother, Mr. C, Sip Slow, Simon Clark, Simon Side Hustles, check him out on YouTube. Awesome content, awesome guy, all right? Told me to get this book. It's called Think and Grow Rich, and it's just arrived. Ooh, looks good. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Advice I got from him was read the book, get yourself a highlighter, and highlight parts of the book that resonate with you. Highlight parts that you find interesting, that stick in your head. Okay, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'll have a link in the description for that book if you're interested in buying it. It's an affiliate link. I'll get a commission for it. Doesn't cost you anything. Just helps me to continue to do these things that I enjoy doing, giving out free value and free content to you people. So get yourself a highlighter, get yourself a copy of this book, start reading it. Start highlighting the parts that make sense. I listen to this book through Audible, but my brain doesn't work that way where I can listen and take it in. I need to see what I'm reading. I need to see it, and I need to see it again and go back to it and see it again. So if you're like me, definitely buy a hard copy of this book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill.